chicken. That makes me happy. Pick her up. Oh, the other one's back in. Right there. She's eating. There you go. Pick her up. Pick her up. There you go. Go a little bit lower on her.
Right down under the
Right under me.
chest.
There you go.
There.
Pick her right up. Right up. Good job. Oh, so close. There you go. There you go. You did it. On your own. You got a chicken. Look at, well, again, with the baby wrap would probably work again.
What are you going to do with it now?
It's just a thrill. Oh, good luck. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Yeah, they're fast. They're fast.
I don't think that one's going to let you,
Why
Jay.
don't you try going for that one that's laying down? No, you just passed it. No, back here. Right there. You passed it.
She won't be mean if she's sitting on eggs or something? Or... Oh,
Only if you tried to probably go for her.
oh, okay. Oh, no egg.
No egg?
Oh, just sit. Oh, there it is.
There it is. There it is.